I would like to marry woman.
Where are you from?
Kogi State.
What part?
Igala.
I hear say Kogi people they speak Igbo, na true?
Yes.
Your side, is it the Igbo part?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, speak Igbo for me.
Okay, good evening. Keki meruna nimekwa. Kemakaya.
How many market days do you people have in Kogi State?
4 market days.
Have they told you people that you people are part of Igbo people?
Yeah.
Do you accept that Kogi, that's your part, Igala are part of Igbo?
Yes.
Okay, what is your name in Igbo language?
Chiamaka.
But there are Kogi people that don't speak Igbo, right?
Yeah. There are some that speak Hausa, there are some that speak Yoruba again.
So now, do you accept that you are an Igbo girl or not?
I'm an Igbo girl. I accept.
Have you heard any story about Igala people that they are being originated from Igbo or not?
Yes, I've heard. They say that we are part of Igbo, blah, 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 blah.
You all have heard what that young lady said. She said that she is from the Igbo speaking part of Kogi State. She said that her name is Chiamaka. So you go go to ask yourself, how come person where they indigenous for Kogi State they bear Chiamaka? She's not bearing Chiamaka because her mother is from the southeast and her father is from Igala. She's not bearing Chiamaka because her father is from the southeast and her mother is from Igala. She is bearing Chiamaka because her father is Igbo and her mother is Igbo. They are indigenous in Kogi State. So when you hear the word Igbo, Igbo is not just found only in 5 states. Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. Igbos are indigenous in Abia State, Anambra State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State, Cross River State, Akwa Ibom State, Bayelsa State, Benue State, Kogi State, Edo State, River State, and Delta States. 13 Nigeria states, 13. Igbos are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. So those people were not the hear am, make them start to the hear am now. Those people that hate the Igbo race, people where they say anything Igbo, they pepper them for body. If they hear Igbo like this, tears go to come up from their nose. Those people are the ones coming out online to say that Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states. Ndigbo, go with your 5 states. Go with your 5 landlocked states. When these people hear that Igbos are indigenous in 13 states, Igbos are indigenous in Kogi and Benue states, pain, the thing go they pain them, but they will cry. Igbos must unite. Anyone that is telling you that Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states is only trying to make himself happy. They know that Igbos are not found just in 5 states, but in 13 states. All these places that we just mentioned that Igbos are indigenous, go and verify. Igbos are there. If you go Benue State, you go see so many Igbo communities there. If you go Kogi State, so many Igbo communities are there. If you go Edo State, so many Igbo communities are there. In Delta State, half of Delta State is Igbo territory. That is Anioma Delta North. The population of Anioma people is 2.something million people, if not 3 million people. People ever say their population na million, not that you say these people plenty. Go to Bayelsa State, Igbos are there. They speak Okun. Go to River State, 70% of River State are Igbo people. Akwa Ibom State, Igbos are there. Cross River State, Igbos are there. This is total marginalization. In Nigeria, Igbo is the only tribe that is indigenous in 13 states. Now marginalization. If na something will be something, Igbo not supposed to Kogi State, Igbo not supposed to Benue State. They go join all those ones for Ebonyi State and Enugu State. The ones where they Edo State, they go join them for Delta State. The ones where they Bayelsa State, they go join them for Delta State. The ones where they Cross River, they go join all of them for all those at their side. Make their day one place. State creation as something where we say people that speak the same language are supposed to be in one place. But for Nigeria own, they go cut all of them bit by bit. They put people for different location, making them a minority. Separating them from their brothers is very bad. You they created those states, you carry Ibanke people and other Ika speaking people where they there, carry them join for those states. For what reason? Why not keep them in Delta State to be with their Ika brothers? But because you want to divide the Igbo race, you want to destroy Igbo nation, you want to turn Igbos against Igbos, you want to make sure that there is identity crisis, you divided them. Carry some Igbo people, go keep for Edo State. And today, the Igbos in Edo State are suffering from that marginalization. They are doing everything possible to join their Eka brothers in Anioma State. Now, so they still carry Igbos put for Kogi State. What are Igbo people doing in Kogi State? The Igbos in Kogi State are being marginalized. Go that place, they not get road. During our Igbo Bofu Conference 2025, the Igbos that came from Kogi State were telling us that they don't have road, that the government should please come and do their road for them. This is where Ohanaeze Ndigbo comes in. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, what are you people doing for those Igbos in Kogi State and in Benue State? The Igbos there, they are not having identity crisis. So, what are you people doing for those Igbos in Kogi State and in Benue State? Ohanaeze Ndigbo, you people are supposed to be pressure group. Una be organization, but make una be pressure organization. Make una not say Kogi State government not to get money, or say other tribes where the Kogi State not they live fine. Then make una own Igbo people where the Kogi State not they live fine. You not concern on that one, not be una concern. Your own concern should be Kogi State government build road for our Igbo brothers in Kogi State. You not concern you whether that state they were or not. Your concern is they give them pressure. Build this thing for our people. Your people should be your concern. But as it is now, you can't be like say Ohanaeze Ndigbo is only covering 5 states. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, you people are expected to make sure that you cover the 13 states in Nigeria that Igbos are indigenous. Get people from those places where they represent for Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Get people from Kogi State, people from Benue State, people from Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, all these places. Make sure you get people from there that will be representing their people in Ohanaeze Ndigbo. That is what you people are supposed to be doing, so that you will carry those Igbo people there along. They pressure their government, build this thing for our people not get road. That is what you people are supposed to be doing. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, you are an organization representing Ndigbo. You are not representing only 5 states. You are representing Igbo nation. Make sure you carry every Igbo region along. Go Kogi State, the Igbo community is there. If you reach that place, you go shake head. Every organization representing their tribe are expected to make sure that they pressure government do this thing for us. That is what organizations are supposed to be doing. As we dey agitate for Anioma State now, you see as we they do everything possible, make sure say we get Anioma State. We not agree, we are focused in Anioma to make sure that we actualize Anioma State for the betterment of all Anioma people. You know, say anything Igbo agenda, we, the Igbo unification movement, are supporting it. We are propagating it. We are doing everything possible to make sure that Igbo agenda is being actualized. That is why we are here. That is what every organization in Igbo land are supposed to be doing. The Igbos in Benue State, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, have you people reached out to them? We need to carry everybody along. So many Igbo people for South Side, they thought they not be Igbo. And if Ohanaeze Ndigbo come go, they tell them they be Igbo people. Some people that don't have sense will start saying, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, they want to grab land. They are forcing people to be Igbo. That is why we, the Igbo unification movement, are here to complement the work of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, they try, fine. But if we see some things where we say they not they do, or we not see that they do them, we got tell them, make them know say this thing. Are you people doing all this thing? Just like as I'm saying now, whether Ohanaeze Ndigbo don't cover all those Kogi State and Benue State. In case they don't cover them, but me not know, but I have to talk them so that when they see this video, they're gonna say I am concerned. I want maybe say they cover all those places. So with the Igbo unification movement, we are here to complement the work of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. We are here to assist Ohanaeze Ndigbo. So all those Igbo people where they deny their Igbo identity, that is why we are here. We are here for them. We are here to open the eyes of those Igbo people deny their Igbo identity, for them to know that we Igbo people need to come together to have a voice. We need to come together to be great. Nobody be great saying be minority. The voice of a minority, they one side like this. All those minority, yeah, waiting be that way they want. Just do it for them anyhow you do it for them, that's sabi. But when we are a majority, what we say must stand. Igwe unity is power. The young lady said that the Igbos in Kogi State makes use of the Igbo 4 market days. The 4 market days is a determinant of Igbo identity. She said that she is an Igbo girl, like she is proud of her Igbo identity. This one are picking way get sense. The Igbos in Kogi and Benue, they know they deny their Igbo identity. They go tell you place say they be Igbo people. In Kogi State itself, you go see some Igala speaking communities, but they are Igbo in ancestry. I have a friend that bears an Igala name, but in their community, they speak Igbo language. Now Igbo they speak for their community. But some of them get Igala names. Other Igala people in that Kogi State, all those that they know they see Ibaji people as true Igala people. Because they know that these people are a mixture. So many of them are from Igbo land. With the Igbo unification movement, we will start making sure that we cover Kogi State. See, Kogi State now go be our next agenda. We go cover all those places. Make sure that we unite with the entire Igbo speaking community in Kogi State. The Igbo race should support Igbo unification movement. Support us. This thing what we do now, we need support. We need finance for logistics, for travels, and other things. Igbo unification not be one person work. Now for all of us. So people will be say that they travel, they do all this things just like as we do now. Support them. We need support. Life where we dey now money, they run things. If money dey, movement go easy. We need to unite our people and make sure that Igbos remain one. All those community for Ibaji, where we say that they speak Igbo language, we go unite with them. Igbos are indigenous in 3 local governments in Kogi State. Igbos are indigenous in Odolu local government, Igalamela local government, and Ibaji local government. These 3 local governments are where Igbos are found in Kogi State. More than 20 communities, waiting be 20 communities. So many communities in that Kogi State are Igbo people. We must unite with them. The time is now. Ndigbo support Igbo unification movement. Support the National Socio-Cultural Organization. Make we unite our people. See as the girl fine, black beauty, chai, baby oko, asanwa, mbotoma. May Chuku bless you. Pikin wey get sense. The young lady asked her if Igala people agree that they are part of the Igbo race. Say whether they originate from the Igbo race. Not all Igala are of Igbo ancestry. Igala are people with so many ancestry. Now so many people come together, form Igala language, form Igala kingdom. So many Igala people came from Hausa. Now Hausa people they be. But because they don't stay for that place for so long, they now started speaking Igala. The Igala people with Hausa ancestry are called Angwa Ayeba in Igala land today. They're plenty for population. They came from Hausa land. They came from Kano State, in Bebeji, in Kano. Their ancestors are Hausa people. Their ancestors don't bear Igala names. But they come fight with Ata Ida, follow Ata Ida, fight Jukun people. So they can't defeat Jukun. Ata Ida can't tell us, say, make una stay for this place, make una stay here. I like what una they do, make una stay for this place. They can't settle for that place, can't go back, pack more Hausa people come. Now them bring Islam, come Igala land. Go to Angwayeba, ask them, ask their elders that they will tell you this thing, that they are not Igala people. They are Hausa people. They will take their maps, tell you. But they speak Igala today, but they are not Igala people. In Igala land also, so many Igala people are not Igala people. They speak Igala, but they are from Igbo land. Their ancestors are Igbo people, but today they speak Igala. Some Igala people are from Yariba, but today they now speak Igala. Some Igala people are from Bini, but today they now speak Igala. So Igala is called a mini Nigeria. That Kogi State is called mini Nigeria. Like, so many tribes are there. Igbos are indigenous in Kogi State. Yoruba are indigenous in Kogi State. Hausa are indigenous in Kogi State. That is why it's been called a mini Nigeria. So Igala is a mixture of so many people. The late Ata of Igala in 2017 called Ata Ame Oboni. He said that Igala is a mixture of so many people. They came together and a language evolved called Igala. So that is a no fact. We Igbo people, let's do everything possible and make sure that Ndigbo unite. Igbo unification movement is a must. Nobody can stop it. So many people are crying. Igbos are only found in 5 states. Igbos are not in any 13 states. Blah blah blah. They will cry because we are unstoppable. Igbos must unite. The numbers of Anyama people that are embracing their Igbo identity now is too much. Go on the internet. Ika people are saying that they are Igbos. Okwana people are saying that they are Igbos. Oshimina and Nacha people are saying that they are Igbos. Some Ikore people are now saying that they are Igbos. So many people are now waking up. So don't think that what we are doing, we are just doing it. No. What we are doing is getting effect. Igbo nation, let's do well to make sure that we unite every Igbo speaking people indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. Igbo Bofu, remain blessed, young girl from Kogi State, Chiamaka Onwama, Ishiagwale.